Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's lesson, you will learn how to open folder options in File Explorer in Windows 11. For almost every Windows user, File Explorer is the most used application. After all, File Explorer is an essential part of file management in the Windows operating system. Considering the importance of File Explorer and its use cases, it has a dedicated folder options tool that lets you customize how the folders and files are displayed and function in File Explorer. Open File Explorer. Click on the three dots at the top toolbar. Choose Options from the list. A new window will open. You can go through tabs and change the settings if you want. You can also use Control Panel. Go to Taskbar Search. Type Control Panel and click on it to open. Go to View By at the top right corner of the window. Choose Category from the list. Go to Appearance and Personalization. Click on File Explorer Options. A new window will open. You can go through tabs and change the settings if you want. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!